Now that you have logged in successfully with your Macquarie One ID, this tutorial will show you how to accept your offer. Please note, this step is only required for domestic coursework students or domestic and international higher degree research students. If you're an international coursework student, you won't need to do anything here, as you would have accepted your offer via the admissions process with Macquarie University. So, if you are an international student or have already completed this step, head over to the Tutorial 3, Completing Mandatory Tasks. Once logged into eStudent, this is your home page. To accept your offer, click on the My Applications tile. Here, you'll see any offers that are available for you to accept with a Respond button. The course name appears on the left. Click the Respond button for the course you wish to accept the offer for. Here, you'll be able to see your offer, the commencement year, and the study period you are due to commence your course. To accept, navigate to the Offers section on the left-hand side. If we look over to the offer status, we can see the offer is awaiting response and yet to be accepted. Click Respond. Here, you'll see that the offer is awaiting your response and any conditions of offer. Below are details of the year and study period you will commence your course once accepted. To accept your offer, click the Accept button at the top corner of the screen. Click OK to confirm your selection. You'll receive a confirmation that you've accepted your offer. This process may take a few minutes to finalise once you accept. Clicking the Back button in the upper left corner will return you to your Offers Overview page, where you'll see the offer status as Accepted. If you are an HDR student, it will show as Accepted. If you are a coursework student, it will also show as Admitted, unless you have offer conditions that first need to be verified by the admissions team. HDR students will not be automatically admitted and will receive further notification from the Graduate Research Academy about their enrolment. Now that you've accepted your offer, you are ready to undertake the next step of your enrolment activities. See Tutorial 3, Completing Mandatory Tasks. Remember, if you have any issues, you can always contact Service Connect and they will be happy to assist you.